Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Today we are doing unit number 4, lessons and games. On blank page you write unit number 4, lessons and games, and on the next page, on the top of your page, write homework and date. Okay, you write unit number 4, lessons and games. Topic is school. Question number 1, why do you come to school? I come to school to read and write. We go to school to learn so many things. Which is your favorite activity in school? Okay, now you tell me your favorite activity. Your favorite activity in school is different, like playing, writing, reading and drawing. So you write it, my favorite activity in school is. You can write here your favorite activity in school. It is your homework. You do it very neat and clean handwriting. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.